What is going on, everybody? My name is Mike. This is Wall Street Traders, where we break down hot trending stocks to put you at advantage on the market. So let's go ahead and break down Tesla, or ticker symbol TSLA. We are pre-market 720. We are down about 2%, you guys. The market will be opening about 45 minutes, so I'm going to try to put this out as fast as possible so you guys can possibly have an advantage over the market. So let's go ahead and dive in. So this top line up here represents our major resistance line, and we can test that by looking left, and we see all these candlesticks that came up and got rejected in this area. We have this candlestick over here that pulled back, consolidated, came up, hit this area again, ultimately got rejected, pulled back down, pulled up, rejected, pulled up, rejected, and ultimately pulled all the way down to our major support line. And this area can be tested. We look over here, we have these three candlesticks bouncing off this level. We look back further in time, we have these candlesticks on the support side, and then we have about 4 on the resistance side. So these are heavily tested areas, you guys. And then this white line represents our minor resistance, where we're currently at right now. Below this, we can see this these two tops that we have over here. We have these candlesticks in these areas, and then we have these two in the same vicinity. So right now we are above that. We actually broke out above that a couple days prior from last week. We came up, and we are currently pulling back down to where? Our minor support area. So this is why we are down in the pre-market. We're pulling back into this minor support area. We're continuing this uptrend that we have. If you look over here, we broke this trend. This yellow line over here was our downtrend previously. Okay, we broke that, creating a new trend. See, we got a higher low right here, broke this minor resistance, which is exactly what we want to see, came up and pulled back, or currently pulling back into this minor support area. So the best opportunity or the best entry you could get in is when we touch down in this area, you guys. You could get back in right now if you're more of an aggressive trader, and just have your stop loss maybe in the 714 or 715 area. Excuse me. And if you're a safer trader, you could wait until you pull back just a little bit more and just have your stop loss maybe in the 700 or 705 area, and that'd be a good opportunity for you to catch either a swing trade or a day trade, you guys. Like I said, we are starting from a higher time frame. We're on the daily time frame. So what this does is it allows us to see the overall direction and picture that our stock is in. Once you have figured where your entry would be, you would break down to the smaller time frame, like the 5-minute or the 1-minute, and find your entry there, and then obviously find your target. So your target would probably be back up at the previous highest point at the 750 or 760 area, depending on what type of trader you are. Like I said, if you're a day trader, your target might be a little bit lower than this, since you're going to be getting out sooner than most people. But other than that, if you guys like the videos that I break down really quickly and simply, hit that like and subscribe button. If there's a stock that you want me to break down, put it in the comment box below, and I'll add it to the list for tomorrow. But other than that, I hope you guys have a beautiful day and happy trading.